Wanna go outside? Let's go. We have a beautiful place. Let's go. Put your harness, kitty. Hello, Joseph.
Hi. Hey guys.
So this is a little campground. I'm just gonna relax today, nothing major. Oh, beautiful view. Just waiting for the sun to come somewhere behind here at one point. And Kitty's already play there. The tide's pretty high, so we're gonna wait a little bit and go back for a walk on the beach later on. Alright guys, so like I said, we are in the campground, so we're gonna have a little campfire later on. Like I said, we're just gonna chill. Me and Joseph, we sometimes do those strange things. Maybe it looked strange that we just park two of our friends like together in a campground and we just don't really necessarily like talk to each other that much. We just chill in our van, relax. So one thing that I want to do is to prep what I'm gonna eat tonight on the fire. So I'm just gonna roast some vegetable and have some plant-based sausage. And yeah, so I'm just gonna roast that, and I'm just gonna do a marinade with like maybe, I don't know, this is a recipe that my mom used to make, and I was like, oh yeah, it's so good. And like maybe the same part of soy sauce, maple syrup, and water, equal part. And I'm gonna cut some vegetable, put that in the bowl, marinate that until we are having the fire. And like I say, I'm gonna cut some sausage, and I don't know if I'm gonna eat that over some rice, or I do have tacos to taco shelf, so maybe make taco. I don't know, we'll see when I'm gonna go there, be there. But yeah, so let's do this. So I put a lot of mushrooms and a lot of vegetable because I love this. Like leftover is so good. You can just eat that, like I said, with rice or just like a taco type of. So mix that up and flip that a couple times throughout the day to marinate everything, and that should be good. That would be good. Fridge is pretty full, but we should find a place. So I'm just gonna chill here for a little bit, and as soon as the sun is out, it's like 11:30 I think right now. It's just, we are behind a mountain right now. So as soon as the sun is out and as soon as the tide just reduce a little bit, I'm probably gonna go for a nice long walk with Kitty. She didn't really walk so much in the past week. She's been lazy inside the van with the heater on. So no, right now that she know that we are in a nice place, nature, she's just like, I want to go. So yeah, as soon as the sun is out and the tide is down, we're gonna go. Alright, so I just woke up for a small little nap. Kitty had a small little nap too as well. I had a little snack. And it's now sunny outside, so we're gonna go enjoy the sun, sit in the sun. I think we needed it. You ready to go outside? Yes, I know. Let's do this. Yes. Yeah. Are you happy? Are you happy? What a beautiful day. Kitty just want to walk and walk and walk. He's gone. Hey, wait for me. What's up? Give some love to the camera, Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Me and Joseph are so lazy right now. We're just hanging like one after the other one. We're gonna go in bed very early. Quick fire, eat around the fire, and go to bed. Is that good? Gonna steal some of your content.
Yeah.
Just realized I see your camera on.
This is like such a lazy fire, this one. But it's gonna work.
As long as it works, who cares?
Trying something different, Emmy.
Try.
Yeah. And we'll go over here. It'll go.
This is vacation. Right there.
Pretty good.
Feels good.
Yeah, very good.
We're just so deep, not depressed, but like just tired, just like, whatever.
Just like lizards in the sun.
Alright, so I'm gonna eat pretty soon. I thought that I had like some skirt that I could just like grill this, but I think I'm gonna put on aluminum foil. So vegetables are good. I'm just gonna chop some sausage. This is the plant-based sausage that I really like, by the way. So I'm gonna chop maybe two. I think it's gonna be 2 dinner here, so chop 2, and yeah.
Today is highly restorative.
Sunset.
There we go. There we go. There's the shot right
Here's
there.
the shot.
You get that's the shot.
Look good. I'm getting hungry right now. Smells good too.
Looks good.
This looks so good. So I think I'm just gonna go like super simple and just wrap all of this in a tortilla shelf, and it's gonna be good to go. I'm gonna eat the whole thing. I thought that would be 2 dinner. No, I'm just like, nope,
That's gonna be 1 dinner.
that's gonna be 1. That's gonna be so good. Let's try this. Oh yeah. I must admit, that's what I needed this morning. Little quiet time by the ocean. It's beautiful. Sometimes it's just what we need. A little bit of quiet time. Kelly doesn't want to be quiet though. She's like, come on, let's go for a walk. Me, I just feel like really relaxed just to stay there and watch this view for hours. It's beautiful. This morning it was supposed to rain, and instead we have this cloudy, misty morning, which I love it. Alright guys, Joseph already left this morning to take the ferry, and I'm gonna go pretty soon too, as much as I love it here. Kelly's like, no, let's stay here. I have a couple of things to do today, but I'm gonna still enjoy a little bit more of that view. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I will see you in the next one. Kelly, that was my little spot. I know that's your bed, but that was my seat. It's yours now? Yeah. Can I get my seat back? Thank you.